Emma and Jack's journey into nature. One weekend morning, as the first rays of the sun sparkled in the sky, Emma and her family decided to go hiking in the mountains. They eagerly prepared themselves, along with her father, mother, and little brother Jack. They put on their hiking boots and filled their backpacks. They packed water bottles, snacks, and a picnic blanket. When the family arrived at the foot of the mountain, they were greeted by the fresh air and the peace of nature. The father pointed out the hiking trail and said, "Let's start." During the hike, Emma and Jack carefully observed the nature around them. The flowers, butterflies, and birdsong enchanted them. The mother explained the names and characteristics of the flowers to her children. "Look, kids, this is a daisy. It smells lovely and has white petals. And these yellow flowers are dandelions. It's amazing to see so much diversity in nature, isn't it?" Emma and Jack listened to their mother with great interest. Their father asked them to listen to the birds and encouraged them to be quiet. "Let's be quiet now and listen to the birds. There are so many different bird sounds in the forest, can you hear them?" The children quietly listened to the chirping of the birds. Emma asked, "Dad, what's the name of this bird?" Her father replied, "That's a nightingale. Nightingales sing beautiful songs." As they continued their hike, the family ventured deeper into the forest. Along the way, they came across a stream. The mother suggested, "Let's take a break here. We can drink some water and rest." The children washed their hands in the cool stream and skipped stones across the water. After the break, they resumed their hike. The father introduced the trees and plants in the forest to the children. "This tree is a pine tree. Pine trees stay green all year round. And that tree over there is an oak tree. Oak trees are very resilient and long-lived." Emma and Jack listened to their father as they examined the trees and plants. The mother taught the children how to leave no trace in nature. "Kids, when we walk in nature, we should take our trash with us. Keeping nature clean is everyone's responsibility. Also, we mustn't harm the plants and animals. Nature is like our home, so we should take good care of it." Later in the day, the family climbed a hill. When they reached the top, they were greeted by a magnificent view of the forest and mountains below. The father suggested, "Let's have a picnic here." They spread out the picnic blanket and took out the food from their backpacks. While enjoying their sandwiches, they soaked in the beauty of nature. After the picnic, the children ran and played around the hill. Jack exclaimed, "Mom, Dad, it's so much fun to play here. Can we come back?" The mother smiled and said, "Of course, Jack. Nature is always here for us." Emma added, "Today was wonderful. We explored flowers, listened to birds, and saw an amazing view." The father agreed, "Yes, Emma. Nature always brings us peace. That's why we should love and protect it." As the sun set, the family slowly made their way back along the hiking trail. When they arrived home, Emma and Jack fell asleep, tired from the day's adventures. In their dreams, they found themselves hiking in the mountains again, examining flowers and listening to bird songs. In their dreams, they ran through fields of flowers, listened to the melodies of birds, and wandered safely in the embrace of nature. As they dreamed sweet dreams, nature embraced them. Good night, sweet dreams.